the best vice president America's ever had, Mr. Joe Biden. As Yeats put it, because I had to quote an Irish poet, and Seamus Heaney was taken. Think where man's glory most begins and ends, and say my glory was I had such friends.
You know I can't let a comment go by without quoting an Irish poet. And Seamus Heaney, in one of his poems, said, when you can find someone who says it better, use it. He said, you carried your own burden, and very soon your symptoms of creeping privilege disappeared. You carried your own burdens, and very soon the creeping symptoms of privilege disappeared. Mr. President, you have sometimes been like a lone wolf, but you carried yourself in a way that's pretty remarkable. The history of the journey, your journey, is something people are going to write about a long time.